So this is the Vintage Coach Lindsay bag, style number 9888. This bag was made in the US sometime before 1994. I would estimate most likely in the early 90s, and it's in the color dark navy. So this is a crossbody bag. Here's the strap. It's got a snap magnetic closure. That's just some tissue paper on the inside. And it does have a little slip pocket under the front flap. So I'll show you a 360 real fast of the bag. So obviously here's the front. Here's what the sides look like. The crossbody strap is sewn directly onto the bag. Right here. Here's the back. It's got a back slip pocket on the back. And then here's what the bottom of the bag looks like. It's got a little split seam on the bottom. And then when we open it, it does have one other pocket on the inside. So it's also got this zip pocket on the interior of the bag. Right there. And then the crease is also on that back zip pocket. I'll insert a photo since it's kind of hard to show it easily on video. So that is the beautiful Lindsay bag. She is available now in our online store, so if you're interested in that, the link will be below in the description box, along with all the information about this bag that I mentioned earlier in the video, as well as links to all of our social media if you'd like to stay up to date with the bags as we post them, as well as a link to our email newsletter if you'd like to sign up for that. The link will be below in the description box as well. But otherwise, thanks for watching and take care.